fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time you need it, deep fry. Homie, this is too far.
So I've got about 5 laps in on these brakes and they're getting hot, starting to squeal a little bit. They're still working good. I haven't had any brake fade, but you hear that. That means the rotor's starting to glaze. Could try some new pads. I do wish the back works really well. The front works good, but I could use a little more stopping power. The back will lock up. The front doesn't lock up, so which is good, but I would rather have it be able to lock up. Hear that? I would rather have it be able to lock up and me modulate it versus me cranking on the lever and it not locking up. So I might try a different brake. The back, they're both squealing. The front and the back squeal. But as you can see, I'm putting it through its paces. So that might be to be expected. Yeah, baby. They're definitely getting worked hard. And you know, they're 4 electric mountain bikes. So I'm about 80 pounds. My bike's about 80 pounds heavier than what they're really for. So you gotta understand that. If you've watched my video this far, you have a pretty good idea what I think about these TRP brakes. These brakes are pretty good for everyday use. They're lightweight, but they're not quite up to the task of motocross. They were getting hot, they were squealing, and I feel like brake fade was right around the corner. Now, I was able to lock up my rear wheel to slide around corners, but the front was a bit underpowered. I'll be looking for E-moto specific brakes here in the near future. Thanks for riding along. For more unbiased E-moto reviews, hit subscribe, keeping that content fresh.
Yeah.